तुम्हारा इरादा क्या है?
What's your intention? What's your intention?
वो आपके कौन लगते हैं?
Who is he to you? Who is he to you?
ये वाला कैसा रहेगा?
How about this one? How about this one?
पहली नजर में मैंने तुम्हें अपना बना लिया।
At first sight, I made you my own. At first sight, I made you my own.
यही मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ।
That's what I want to ask. That's what I want to ask.
मुझे कुछ देर सोचने दो।
Let me think for a while. Let me think for a while.
चलो मैं आपको छोड़ देता हूँ।
Let me drop you. Let me drop you.
मैं तुमसे परसों मिलूंगी।
I will see you the day after tomorrow. I will see you the day after tomorrow.
मैं तुमसे एक सवाल पूछता हूँ।
Let me ask you one question. Let me ask you one question.
उसने मेरे काम की तारीफ की।
She appreciated my work. She appreciated my work.
कभी-कभी ऐसा हो जाता है।
Sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens.
किसी चीज की जरूरत हो तो बताना।
Let me know if you need anything. Let me know if you need anything.
मिलते रहा करो।
Keep in touch. Keep in touch.
मैं यही सवाल आपसे पूछने वाली थी।
I was about to ask you the same question. I was about to ask you the same question.
तो आप पार्टी कब दे रहे हो?
When are you throwing the party? When are you throwing the party?
तुमने उसे बेवकूफ बनाया, है ना?
You fooled him, don't you? You fooled him, don't you?
क्या मैं तुम्हें थोड़ी देर बाद कॉल करूं?
May I call you after some time? May I call you after some time?
ज्यादातर मैं उसके बारे में सोचता हूँ।
Most of the time I think of her. Most of the time I think of her.
एक बात तो पक्की है।
One thing is sure. One thing is sure.
आप क्या कह रहे थे?
What were you saying? What were you saying?
मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं बोला।
I didn't speak anything wrong. I didn't speak anything wrong.
तुम मुझे ऐसे ही पसंद हो।
I like you as you are. I like you as you are.
तुमने फालतू में उससे पंगा लिया।
You messed with him for no reason. You messed with him for no reason.
मुझे अभी भी नहीं पता।
I still don't know. I still don't know.
वो तुम्हारी राह देख रहा होगा।
He may be waiting for you. He may be waiting for you.
कभी खुद भी कर लिया करो।
Sometimes do it yourself. Sometimes do it yourself.
मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है?
Why does it only happen to me? Why does it only happen to me?
तुम खुद से कुछ नहीं करते।
You do nothing by yourself. You do nothing by yourself.
वो आपके कौन लगते हैं?
Who is he to you? Who is he to you?
तुम अब बच्चे नहीं हो।
You are not a baby anymore. You are not a baby anymore.
मुझे से बात करते करते हिचकिचाओ मत।
Don't hesitate while talking to me. Don't hesitate while talking to me.
मुझे आपसे अभी मिलना है।
I have to meet you right now. I have to meet you right now.
तेरे जैसे लोग मैंने बहुत देखे हैं।
I have seen number of people like you. I have seen number of people like you.
मैंने भी मूवी नहीं देखी है।
Even I haven't seen this movie. Even I haven't seen this movie.
आगे क्या करना है?
What to do next? What to do next?
तू फोन क्यों नहीं उठा रहा था?
Why were you not picking up the phone? Why were you not picking up the phone?
दूसरा रास्ता जरूर होना चाहिए।
There must be another way. There must be another way.
चल कुछ खाते हैं।
Let's eat something. Let's eat something.
जैसा आपने कहा मैंने किया।
I did as you said. I did as you said.
जैसा आपको ठीक लगे।
As you feel like. As you feel like.
जैसे आपकी मर्जी।
As you wish. As you wish.
जैसा तुम कहो।
As you say. As you say.
उसे डांटने के बजाय तुम मुझे डांट रहे हो।
You are scolding me rather than scolding him. You are scolding me rather than scolding him.
यह लीजिए खाना।
Here is the food. Here is the food.
वो मुझे फोन करता रहता है।
He keeps calling me. He keeps calling me.
एक दोस्त होने के नाते मैं हमेशा तुम्हारी मदद करूंगा।
Being a friend, I will always help you. Being a friend, I will always help you.
मैं कहना तो चाहता था लेकिन कह नहीं पाया।
I wanted to say but could not say. I wanted to say but could not say.
मैं तुम्हें खोना नहीं चाहता हूँ।
I don't want to lose you. I don't want to lose you.
तुम मुझे कैसे भूल पाओगी?
How will you forget me? How will you forget me?
तुम दूसरों से अलग हो।
You are different from others. You are different from others.
क्या मैं तुम्हें बेबी बुला सकता हूँ?
May I call you baby? May I call you baby?
तो क्या बात कर रहे थे हम?
So what were we talking about? So what were we talking about?
गाना सुनने लायक है।
Song is listenable. Song is listenable.
मूवी देखने लायक थी।
Movie was watchable. Movie was watchable.
ये तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं है।
It is not your cup of tea. It is not your cup of tea.
मेरे घर का ख्याल रखना।
Look after my house. Look after my house.
बुरे दिन जल्दी खत्म हो जाएंगे।
Bad days will be over soon. Bad days will be over soon.
यहाँ आप कितनी देर रहोगे?
How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here?
मैं तुम्हें एक बात बताता हूँ।
Let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing.
उसको कम मत समझना।
Don't underestimate him. Don't underestimate him.
मेरे पास और कोई चारा नहीं है।
I have no other option. I have no other option.
किसी और का गुस्सा मुझ पर मत निकालो।
Don't poke out anyone's anger on me. Don't poke out anyone's anger on me.
उसने मुझे अनदेखा कर दिया।
He ignored me. He ignored me.
मैं इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए उत्सुक हूँ।
I am curious to learn English. I am curious to learn English.
जहाँ तक मुझे पता है वो नहीं आएगा।
As far as I know he will not come. As far as I know he will not come.
तूने पहले क्यों नहीं बताया?
Why didn't you tell me earlier? Why didn't you tell me earlier?
जब तक तुम चाहो तुम यहाँ रुक सकते हो।
As long as you want, you can stay here. As long as you want, you can stay here.
अभी मिल सकते हो क्या?
Can you meet me right now? Can you meet me right now?
उनका मजाक मत उड़ाओ।
Don't make fun of them. Don't make fun of them.
मुझसे किसी ने नहीं पूछा।
No one asked me. No one asked me.
मैं फैसला कर चुका हूँ।
I've made my decision. I've made my decision.
मुझे लगता है वो सही है।
I think that he is right. I think that he is right.
क्या आपको देर हो रही है?
Are you getting late? Are you getting late?
यह देखने लायक है।
It's worth watching. It's worth watching.
छुट्टी रख लो।
Keep the change. Keep the change.
मुझे घर पहुँचने में 1 घंटा लगेगा।
I will take an hour to get home. I will take an hour to get home.
आपने मेरे लिए किया क्या है?
What have you done for me? What have you done for me?
मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है।
I am speechless. I am speechless.
तुम तो फालतू में इधर उधर घूमते रहते हो।
You keep roaming here and there for no reason. You keep roaming here and there for no reason.
दरवाजे पर कौन है?
Who is at the door? Who is at the door?
यह एक अपशगुन है।
This is a bad omen. This is a bad omen.
मैं तो बस मजाक कर रहा था।
I was just kidding. I was just kidding.
तुम्हारी बातों में दम है।
Your words have weight. Your words have weight.
इसका अंजाम बुरा होगा।
Its result will be undesired. Its result will be undesired.
उसके इरादे सही नहीं है।
His intentions are not good. His intentions are not good.
होनी को कौन टाल सकता है?
Who can change the destiny? Who can change the destiny?
अब मैं फोन रख रहा हूँ।
I am getting off the phone now. I am getting off the phone now.
अपना गुस्सा थूक दो।
Spit out your anger. Spit out your anger.
मुझे कोई इतराज नहीं।
I have no objection. I have no objection.
ठंडी हवा चल रही है।
Cold wind is blowing. Cold wind is blowing.
तुम शर्मा क्यों रहे हो?
Why are you blushing? Why are you blushing?
उसे बहकाओ मत।
Don't mislead him. Don't mislead him.
मेरा मूड खराब मत करो।
Don't spoil my mood. Don't spoil my mood.
मुझे इस तरह से मत देखो।
Don't look at me like this. Don't look at me like this.
मुझे परेशान मत करो।
Don't irritate me. Don't irritate me.
ज्यादा होशियार मत बनो।
Don't be over smart. Don't be over smart.
शायद आप नहीं जानते।
You may not know. You may not know.
उसे ये करने दो।
Let him do it. Let him do it.
मुझे इसकी आदत हो गई है।
I got used to it. I got used to it.
हम अक्सर गलतियां कर बैठते हैं।
We often make mistakes. We often make mistakes.
तुम्हारे पास काफी समय था.
You had plenty of time. You had plenty of time.
सोच समझकर बोलो.
Think before you speak. Think before you speak.
अपना काम करो.
Mind your own business. Mind your own business.
उसका ख्याल रखना.
Take care of her. Take care of her.
पागल मत बनो.
Don't be silly. Don't be silly.
मुझे यह सुनकर बड़ा दुख हुआ.
I am very sorry to hear this. I am very sorry to hear this.
बात को अधिक न बढ़ाओ.
Don't stretch the matter further. Don't stretch the matter further.
आज मैं कुछ नहीं पढ़ सका.
I couldn't study anything today. I couldn't study anything today.
असुविधा के लिए खेद है.
Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience.
हमें अगले बस स्टॉप पर उतरना है.
We have to get off the bus at the next stop. We have to get off the bus at the next stop.
यहाँ कोई नहीं आया.
No one came here. No one came here.
क्या और कोई आदमी आया था?
Had anyone else come? Had anyone else come?
मुझे कुछ खाने को दो.
Give me something to eat. Give me something to eat.
मैंने आपके बारे में बहुत सुना है.
I have heard a lot about you. I have heard a lot about you.
आपकी यात्रा अच्छी हो.
Have a pleasant journey. Have a pleasant journey.
ऐसी बात मत बोलो.
Don't say such a thing. Don't say such a thing.
क्या कोई परेशानी है?
Is there any problem? Is there any problem?
मेरी ओर से माफी मांग लीजिए.
Apologize on my behalf. Apologize on my behalf.
प्लीज एक लाइक कर दीजिए. थैंक यू.